Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the Salik tag on the inside of the windshield and confirming orientation. This ensures you won't pry against electronics. Once located, heat the tag edge with a hairdryer on low for about 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive, and make sure to keep the nozzle moving so glass doesn't overheat. Use dental floss or fishing line to work under a softened edge. You're slicing the bond rather than pulling the tag, which reduces stress on the glass and any wiring behind it. Once the edge gives, continue the floss sawing motion while reheating in short bursts. This keeps the adhesive pliable so the tag lifts evenly. Make sure to support the tag with one hand to control tension so you don't yank and crack the glass. After the tag is off, use a plastic scraper to remove thicker residue, then apply isopropyl alcohol or a safe adhesive remover to a microfiber cloth and wipe until the glass is clean and streak-free. This prevents future sensor errors and improves visibility. Now you finish by inspecting the glass for leftover adhesive or tiny tag fragments. Make sure to clean with alcohol and a microfiber cloth for a clear finish. If the tag resists, reapply heat and try the floss method again, or stop and seek a professional to avoid damage. Finally, log into your Salik account and deactivate the old tag to prevent accidental billing. This step addresses both the physical removal and the why behind it, ensuring your toll account reflects the change and avoids future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.